Hey everybody, this is the one and only verigAnminecrafter, and I'm here to tell you, or show you, I should say, the pics of my recent trip to Disney World. Now, I went to all 4 parks and stayed in 2 types of things, Fort Wilderness and Port Orleans Riverside. Now, it is freaking amazing. I love Disney World. So, I'm going to show you by all these pics that I took in order from 1. The first one that you will be seeking is Animal Kingdom. Then it comes MGM, which is now known as Hollywood Studios. Then it is Epcot and the one and only Magic Kingdom, which, a fun fact for you, Magic Kingdom was the first ever park built for Disney World, so you should really check those ones out because I have good ones that look really HD to me, and I think you guys should take a look because they actually really do look like it. So, and after this video there should be a short little video, a couple seconds long, saying what I'm gonna do, and so yeah, you should go check it out. It's verigAnminecrafter, and today I'm going to tell you that.
And I'm Go Hurricanes 98.
Yes, he is. He's my brother. Now go away, retarded kid.
Okay.
Alright, anyway, so, this video took a lot of time and effort to edit all the photos to make them longer, and I'm gonna kill you. Stop doing that. I want to make this video short, I really do. Alright, anyway, so yeah, it took a lot of time and effort to make all the pictures long enough so you could see it all. Some of them, like I said earlier, are really HD, and I like them, so you should check them out. My brother's making a similar one, but his is not all in one video. His is 4 videos separate for all 4 parks of all his videos he took. Mine is all in one, so it's going to take about 4 hours to even do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Beep, beep, beep. Subscribe, please. I need it. Hey everybody, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, or not really a video, but the pictures that I took in Animal Kingdom. And the reason why I didn't add the others ones, because I didn't want it to be too long, and I got this idea from,
sorry, that was Facebook, but anyway, he got it from me, Go Hurricanes98. So go check me out, subscribe, like my videos, comment and everything. So, and when I told him, he's like, oh, okay.
No, I seriously did not do that.
I'm just kidding. I like to be a jokester.
Yeah, no, he's not a jokester at all.
Too bad you just laughed at me.
No, you know what? Alright. Anyway, so yeah, the next video that'll be probably posted an hour later from this one is Hollywood Studios, which is me and his second favorite park ever.
Liar!
You said it was.
No, you're lying about you. I said it first, and you're just like, oh, it's my third, and then when I said it was my second, you're just like, oh, no, now it's my second. It's true, guys.
You said
Believe Go Hurricanes.
You said that in front of my viewers. I hate you. Yeah, it's the truth. Go away, kid. Gosh.
No, you're the kid in this. You're a kid.
Oh, God.